Malolele and welcome back. Today's tutorial is how to make a Puleoto necklace, also known as the egg cowrie shell, which is worn by girls and women primarily for ta'alunga. You will need black ribbon, 7/8 of an inch, 1 egg cowrie shell, scissor, glue gun, and cotton balls or cotton rounds. Either one will do. First step is to measure around the neck, and I usually tie it to make sure that I have enough ribbon. Now, once you've figured out the desired length, add 2 more inches of ribbon before cutting. Next step is to burn the ends of the cut ribbon, and this is to prevent it from unraveling. Set it aside, take the shell, and using the scissor, I'm going to push the cotton round inside the shell. And I'll probably use about 5 cotton rounds to partially fill the shell. And you don't have to use a scissor. You can use a pencil or a skewer or even a butter knife, just as long as you have an object that will help you to push the cotton rounds inside the shell. After partially filling the shell, take the ribbon and center it on the shell. Push down. And make sure that the ribbon is the same length on the right and left side. Push down on the ribbon. And we'll continue to fill the shell with the cotton round. You can also adjust the cotton rounds to fit the spaces in the shell as you're filling it. Make sure to fill the corners of the shell to keep the ribbon in place. You'll know when to stop adding the cotton rounds when you've reached the same level as the shell. Once you've completed filling the shell, the final step is to apply glue over the cotton area. And this will seal off and keep everything in place. So apply glue generously, going back and forth, making sure that you're covering the area very well. When you're done with the gluing process, set the shell aside and let it dry for 5 minutes. And that is how you make a Puleoto necklace. Thank you for watching.